This is J&J Studio. Thanks for stopping in. We got another wonderful video for you. Here we go. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Another J&J Studio video.
Yeah, Louie. Yeah, I got the people here. People here.
What do you want to get?
Pizza.
Are you going to share?
No.
Are you going to get your own pizza?
186 pizzas.
We saw the one last time. They're the thick. It's the same size as the tray that goes in the
Personal
back
size.
roll and put it on.
So, yeah.
Okay, here's the menu. You got hamburger, pizza, bar food, nachos, everything. Lots of stuff to choose from. Wings, tacos, deli, rice bowls. I mean, lots of stuff. Drinks, alcohol drinks. This is what the interior looks like in 2016. Here's the bar. Here's the wall next to where we're sitting. Here's some pictures on the wall. This mic, Gunday. Here's some TVs along the bar. Here's pictures along the wall next to my left. Here's some TVs, to my right. You see those wonderful lights. This is in front of me, looking towards TVs. Here's my tab. I was working on some projects at the time. The floor looks nice and clean. Nice bar chairs. Delicious looking pepperoni pizza. Here's mine. I believe it's a meat liver or 3 meat. Here's my son pepperoni. Actually, mine is a meat liver, I think it was. Mine's all meat. And what is yours? Pepperoni. Rice bowl. Another picture of the rice bowl dish.
Teriyaki rice bowl. I added avocado and bacon.
Look at this cheese. Wow. Looks good on the plate. Pizza's not bad tasting. Very cheesy, you can tell. We just got done. Don't be afraid to ask for a to-go cup. I still got half a pizza left. It was tasty. She already had a to-go cup filled up, ready for me to go, without me asking for it. Oh yeah, nice day, just sit outside, right here, eating food. You too. That was Louie's on Main Street. Can't find it. This is what you're worrying about, the price tag. Here it is, right here. To break down the price tag. Here's the price right here. $62.40.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you get the newest notification of this videos and share us out with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.